The crypto world thrives on rumors. Every whisper, every speculation can send ripples through the market. Recently, one rumor has risen above the noise, electrifying the PiNetwork community and capturing the attention of crypto enthusiasts worldwide. The rumor? That Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, is preparing to list PiCoin. This whisper, still unconfirmed by Binance, has ignited a firestorm of excitement and anticipation. The Pi community, a dedicated and rapidly growing group of early adopters, is buzzing with possibility. Could this be the moment PiCoin breaks into the mainstream? Could this be the validation they've been waiting for? The impact of a potential Binance listing cannot be overstated. For PiCoin, a relatively young cryptocurrency mined on mobile phones, a listing on Binance would represent a monumental leap forward. It would mean increased visibility, enhanced trading liquidity, and a stamp of legitimacy in the often volatile world of crypto. The potential benefits of a Binance listing for PiCoin are numerous and significant. First and foremost, it would provide access to a vast and established user base. Binance boasts millions of active traders worldwide, representing a massive pool of potential buyers and sellers for PiCoin. This increased liquidity could lead to greater price stability and a more robust market for the cryptocurrency. Furthermore, a Binance listing would significantly enhance PiCoin's visibility within the crypto space. Being featured on a platform as renowned as Binance would expose Pi to a wider audience, attracting new investors and boosting its overall recognition. This heightened profile could translate into increased adoption, further driving demand, and potentially increasing its value. For the millions of PiNetwork pioneers who have been diligently mining PiCoin on their mobile devices, a Binance listing could be life-changing. The possibility of their mined Pi becoming tradable on a major exchange is an exciting prospect, potentially offering them financial rewards for their early adoption and belief in the project. However, as with any significant market event, a Binance listing of PiCoin is not without its potential downsides. The crypto market is inherently volatile, and a listing on a major exchange like Binance could exacerbate this volatility, especially in the short term. Sudden surges in trading volume and price swings are not uncommon following high-profile listings, and PiCoin would likely be no exception. This potential volatility underscores the importance of responsible investing and risk management. While the prospect of quick profits may be enticing, it is crucial to remember that crypto investments carry inherent risks. Investors should carefully consider their investment goals, risk tolerance, and conduct thorough research before making any decisions based solely on market speculation. Moreover, the hype surrounding a potential Binance listing should not overshadow the importance of PiNetwork's long-term vision and development. A sustainable and successful cryptocurrency project requires a solid foundation, technological innovation, and real-world utility. While a Binance listing would be a significant milestone, it is essential to evaluate PiCoin's progress and potential beyond the hype of a single exchange listing. The rumors of a Binance listing have sent shockwaves through the PiNetwork community, eliciting a wide range of reactions. On one end of the spectrum are the moonwalkers, those who are ecstatic about the prospect, predicting PiCoin will fly to the moon and reach astronomical valuations. They view this potential listing as confirmation of Pi's potential and a sign of its imminent mainstream adoption. On the other end are the skeptics, those who remain cautious and even dismissive of the rumors. They point to the lack of official confirmation from Binance and caution against getting swept up in hype. They urge fellow community members to temper their expectations and await concrete evidence before celebrating. This division within the community highlights the importance of critical thinking and balanced perspectives. While the excitement is palpable, it's crucial to approach such rumors with a healthy dose of skepticism. Relying on verified information, conducting independent research, and avoiding emotional decision-making are paramount in navigating the often turbulent waters of the crypto market. Section 5. Building credibility, the bank's approval and beyond. While the Binance listing rumors remain unconfirmed, several recent developments have bolstered PiNetwork's credibility and fueled speculation about its future prospects. One significant milestone was the Know Your Business, or KYB, approval from Banxa, a leading global payment platform. This approval enables Banxa to list and sell PiCoin across its extensive network of over 100 countries, significantly expanding its accessibility and reach. The Banksha approval is a testament to PiNetwork's growing legitimacy and its commitment to regulatory compliance. This move opens doors for broader adoption and paves the way for PiCoin to be integrated into traditional financial systems. Moreover, it sends a positive signal to other exchanges and institutions, potentially encouraging further partnerships and collaborations. In addition to Banksha, other prominent exchanges such as MEXC and BitGet have also granted PiNetwork KYB approval. This growing list of approvals further strengthens Pi's position within the crypto landscape and suggests that its potential is being recognized by key industry players. Section 6. Partnership Power. Stellar and OKX join the fray. Further fueling the excitement surrounding PiNetwork are its strategic partnerships with established players in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. One notable partnership is with Stellar, a decentralized protocol focused on facilitating cross-border payments and asset issuance. This collaboration aims to leverage Stellar's robust technology and network to enhance PiNetwork's capabilities and expand its reach. Another significant partnership is with OKX, a leading cryptocurrency exchange and Web3 technology provider. This collaboration focuses on exploring potential integrations and collaborations, potentially granting PiNetwork access to OKX's extensive user base and suite of blockchain services. These partnerships demonstrate PiNetwork's commitment to building a robust and interconnected ecosystem. By collaborating with established players, PiNetwork can leverage their expertise, technology, and networks to accelerate its growth and achieve its ambitious goals. The potential impact of a Binance listing on PiCoin's value and trading volume can be gleaned from recent events in the crypto market. One compelling example is the case of Stakestone, or STO, a cryptocurrency that experienced a significant surge in price following its listing on Binance. Before its Binance listing, Stakestone was trading at a relatively stable price. However, within days of being listed on the exchange, its price surged by an impressive 30%. Driven by increased trading volume and market interest. This example illustrates the potential for significant price appreciation that a Binance listing can bring, particularly for cryptocurrencies with strong communities and underlying fundamentals. While past performance is not indicative of future results, the Stakestone example provides a glimpse into the potential impact a Binance listing could have on PiCoin. If PiNetwork continues to build on its recent momentum, attracts new users, and garners increased market attention, a Binance listing could be the catalyst for significant price appreciation. Section 8. The Binance Enigma silence speaks volumes. Despite the swirling rumors and heightened anticipation, Binance has remained characteristically tight-lipped about the potential listing of PiCoin. The exchange, known for its calculated announcements and strategic silence, has yet to confirm or deny the speculation, leaving the crypto community in a state of suspense. This silence from Binance is not unusual. The exchange has a history of keeping its cards close to its chest, often waiting until the last minute to announce major listings or partnerships. This approach allows Binance to carefully manage market expectations, prevent premature hype, and ensure a smooth listing process. While the lack of official confirmation may be frustrating for some, it also speaks to the potential significance of a PiCoin listing. Binance, as the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange, understands the weight its decisions carry and the impact its listings have on the market. Section 9. Charting the course. Pi's uncertain future. The potential Binance listing of PiCoin is a testament to the project's growing prominence and the dedication of its community. While the crypto world eagerly awaits an official announcement, one thing is certain. PiNetwork is at a pivotal juncture in its journey. The decisions made in the coming months will shape its trajectory and determine its place within the evolving landscape of digital currencies. As with any emerging technology, the path forward for PiNetwork is not without its challenges and uncertainties. However, the project's recent milestones, strategic partnerships, and the unwavering support of its community suggest a bright future lies ahead. Whether or not the Binance listing rumors come to fruition, PiNetwork has positioned itself as a force to be reckoned with in the exciting and ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency.